Hi friends, here we have to perform new experiment thermistor characteristics. In this experiment, we can perform the characteristics of thermistor and to find the temperature coefficient of the thermistor. Thermistor is a negative temperature coefficient and the other positive temperature coefficient is platinum resistance thermometer. In this thermistor means thermal resistor. As the temperature of thermistor is increases, here resistance of the thermistor decreases. So it is called as negative temperature coefficient. Here for this experiment, this is experimental setup for this experiment. Here there is a water bath, then this is a test tube in filling with thermistor and thermometer with paraffin liquid. Then there is a voltmeter, battery allimeter, another instrument there is battery allimeter, and a multimeter used as a DC current meter. So we have to perform this experiment by using this circuit diagram is given in the sheet. So here the thermistor terminals are connected to voltmeter through this current meter to the battery supply. Then we can make the connection by using this circuit diagram, and here we take the observation and we can applied voltage for the circuit becomes constant is just 2 or 2.5 volts is given in the voltmeter. It is constant voltage applied to the circuit, and then after we can heating the thermistor using this water bath, and then we can take the readings for cooling. So temperature of this thermistor is maximum temperature of this thermistor is 90 degrees Celsius is given in column 1. So then the second column is T, capital T is equal to small t plus 273 degree Kelvin. So we can convert it into Kelvin. Then we can measure the corresponding current for the corresponding temperatures. Then from this current and the applied voltage is of the circuit is 2.5 volts. We can calculate the resistance RT is equal to V upon I. So we can calculate this in the column number 4, just like this. Then we take the log of RT. This is RT resistance of the corresponding applied temperature and corresponding voltage. By using this applied voltage is 2.5 volt and the corresponding current is given in the table to find out the resistance of the corresponding readings, and then we can calculate the log of RT by using this resistance RT. Then the last column is 1 upon T, that means this 1 upon temperature in terms of Kelvin. So we can complete the observation table, then we can take the calculation for temperature coefficient. So the formula for this is RT is equal to R0 e raised to beta into bracket 1 upon T minus 1 upon T0, where RT is resistance of the temperature, then R0 is resistance of absolute temperature, beta is constant depending upon the material of thermistor. So here RT is equal to R0 into e raised to beta into bracket 1 upon T minus 1 upon T0. So we can remove this. Here we can shift the R0 in LHS. So we get RT upon R0 is equal to e raised to beta into bracket 1 upon T minus 1 upon T0. So we can remove the exponential component in this equation. Here at left hand side, RT upon R0 becomes log to the base e RT upon R0 is equal to beta into bracket 1 upon T minus 1 upon T0. Then here 2.303 into log to the base 10 RT upon R0 is equal to beta into bracket 1 upon T minus 1 upon T0. So log to the base 10 RT upon R0 is equal to beta upon 2.303 into 1 upon T minus 1 upon T0. This equation is the type of y is equal to mx plus c. That means the equation of slope. Therefore, slope is equal to, from this equation, slope of equation is equal to beta upon 2.303. Therefore, beta is equal to 2.303 into slope. By using this observation table, we can plot the graph of log of RT versus 1 upon T. We can plot the straight line graph of log of RT versus 1 upon T. And then we can calculate the slope from the graph. The slope of graph is equal to 1184.21 into 2.303 is equal to the factor beta is equal to 2727.23. The negative temperature coefficient of the thermistor is alpha is equal to minus beta. Here negative temperature coefficient beta. Why? This negative, it is because of as the temperature decreases, resistance of the thermistor is increases. Here the temperature of thermistor decreases, resistance of the thermistor is increases. So it is negative temperature coefficient. So we can write this as alpha is equal to minus beta upon T square. T square, we can take the precise observation in this chart. There is 65. That means in degree Kelvin there is 338. So we can take beta is minus 2727.23 divided by 338 square is equal to 114244 is equal to alpha is equal to minus 2.38 into 10 raised to minus 2 per degree Celsius. Hence, by using thermistor, we can find out the temperature of coefficient of thermistor alpha is equal to minus 2.38 into 10 raised to minus 2 per degree Celsius. Thank you.